Alright, man. You are heavy. Gotta put you right over here, though. There you go. There you go. Now you got some water. He's not gonna go too far. He's gonna get some nice water, though. Got a little bit of moss on his back. Yeah, see, now you're all nice and wet again. You were pretty dry when I found you. Oh. He's trying to hide. Come here, man. Let me help you out. Because you're not going to get too far. I know you're trying to hide, though. I see you. There you go. Ooh, he's nice and pretty. He is. But you go back this way. You might be able to hide over here. There you go, buddy. There he goes. Oh, he got caught under that stick. And now he's all nice and wet again. He was pretty dry. There you go. Go right in there. There he goes. Now he can hide.